And back inside the Tianjin Gymnasium here in Tianjin, China, for our continuing coverage of the quarterfinals FIBA Asia Men's Basketball Championship. Rasheem Wright firing away, missed three. Rebound ends up with Dillinger. Welcome you to the fourth and final quarter. Nico Alili here with the good doctor, Dr. J. Andy Howe for CS9 and BTV, at patuloy pa rin nag-aabol ang Power 8 Team Pilipinas.
Well, not a completely lost game yet. We just need a spurt here. 3-point shot by Saros. Could be a start of something big here. Bumagsak pa si Wright doon. Hindi natin alam kung medyo nasaktan o hindi. A slippery spot here.
It seems okay.
So Cyrus getting the 3-point shot off. Down to a 12-point lead.
Skyros Baguio now with 7 points. And that's a miss for Alsus. Kirby firing it over to Baguio. We are in the fourth and final quarter, and here's Helter Brand, eyeball to eyeball with Alsus. Baguio from the corner, and Sunny Toss with a rebound. He needs to kick the ball out. Outside Dillinger, Helter Brand for three. Had a good line.
Sayang yun, because kahit nag-miss yun, if Kirby had in the right position, he would have gotten the rebound and maybe a great chance to drive to the basket, but he went in too deep.
Winner of this game advances to the semifinals. Jordan moving that ball around, ends up with Wright, and they go inside to Hadrab. Hadrab off the glass, no go. And Kirby fighting hard to get that basketball. Sunny Toss as well. There's a jump ball.
Possession arrow going to Jordan there. Willie Miller coming back in for JJ Helterbrand, who just cannot get his offensive game going in this ball game.
Miller has 8 points so far. 8 minutes remaining in the game. Wright on the left side against Norwood. Wright. Great job by the Philippines in shutting the door on Wright, but the ball will stay with Jordan.
Yeah, they anticipated his move through the baseline, and Sunny Toss came out to help his teammate.
Jordan still up by 12 points, 67-55. Here's Wright for three. Got an open look. So back-to-back misses by Wright, and it's last touch on Sunny Toss.
Big break this time for the Jordanian team. I think that could have been very close to being a jump there, because both of their players, I think, tapped the ball out.
Hadrab on the move.
And he was going to be given continuation if that had fallen. Referee, after calling the foul, had his hand signaled up. He was going to be given. There's the reach-in foul called against Cyrus Baguio.
Mabuti pala't tumulong dun si Kirby Raimundo.
Kasi kundi tuloy-tuloy siya. He would have been given. Nakita mo yung referee, hindi binababa yung kamay pag tapos ng pito. He was ready to count it. Only 2 points in this ball game. On Muhammad Hadrab, 6'7", plays the forward position. Osama Douglas coming back into the ball game.
Two misses. Philippines down by 12. Miller, 4-3.
Yeah, ooh, I
almost, but no! Almost a putback slam by Norwood. Well, that would have been huge. Nonetheless, the Philippines will keep the basketball as Mick Penisi returns to action. Penisi had back-to-back three-pointers in the first half. Big run by the Philippines in the second period.
But Jordan bringing back Said Abbas. They can't keep him on the bench that long right now with 4 fouls or none. Good three-point shot there by Norwood. Norwood coming to life here for the Philippines in the last few games, and the lead has been cut down to 9.
6 points for Gabe Norwood. 7-13 remaining in the game. Douglas They go inside to their main man, Zaid Abbas. Nick Pinisi actually chatting with Coach Mario Palma. Alam mo na Pinisi lahat kinakausap eh.
Magaling ang PR niyan. Abbas, who missed his first 2 free throws in the first quarter, has certainly made up for it with his last 3 attempts.
They won't count that. Zaid Abbas will do this again. Double lane violation there. Pinisi and Islam Abbas. And that's going to be last touch on. They say it's against Pinisi.
Yeah, Mick tapped it off. He was not in good position. Islam Abbas got the better of the position for the rebound play.
So baseline play here. Zaid Abbas to Douglas. Sam Douglas has been the court general. Rashim Wright dancing in the lane, bangs into Sonny Toss, and Miller snatches the ball away. 10 points ang kailangan habulin ng Team Pilipinas here in the fourth quarter, and that's a foul against Islam Abbas. There's the foul. Malinaw na malinaw.
He stuck out his foot there.
Pinisi. Back to Miller. Lots of time to shoot. Miller on the move. He spins. Finds Norwood for 3. Yes, sir!
Norwood with back-to-back 3-point shots and cuts the lead down to only 7. Plenty of time left in this ball game.
6:18 remaining in the fourth. Sam Douglas on the move. Alsus. Back to Douglas. Turnover. Here comes Cyrus Baguio, and he gets it.
Yeah, the lead is down to 5.
And we're back in business. Team Pilipinas bouncing back here with a vengeance, and Cyrus Baguio gets away. That's a specialty of the house. This is just a 5-point game. This is an opportunity for Team Pilipinas, limiting Jordan to just 1 point here in the fourth quarter. With 5:58 remaining, let's see how the Philippines defense holds up.
While scoring 11, and 6 of them coming from Gabe Norwood, no?
Here's Wright. Wild shot. Wright got his own miss. And the basket is good. Tough break.
Well, defense never stops. Just because he missed a shot, you don't stop that. Because he's there going aggressively to the boards, got the follow-up, and a possible 3-point play.
And that was the first field goal for Jordan here in the fourth quarter. 18 points now for Rashim Wright. Just about ready to match his tournament average of 20. But he missed the bonus free throw.
A little bit tired at this stage of the ball game.
Philippines within shouting distance here. Down by just 7 points after trailing by as many as 15. Miller on the move. Miller has hit big shots here in the game. Willie Miller inside. Bounce pass. Throws it away.
Again, he had no place to go. Very bad decision making on the part of Willie.
Here's Wright. Douglas. And they go to Ayman Dias. Open shot. No, sir. Another offensive rebound for Jordan.
Abbas just is a rebounding machine. Zaid Abbas is a rebounding machine.
Under 5 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Wright against Norwood. 11 to shoot. Zubsukov baseline.
Again, Willie gives